Hello strangers, good morning guys, welcome back to the channel. Me and Max, we're out again. It's been a while, it's been about 6 weeks. Just been busy with work, busy moving house. Well, tempted to move house, all that sort of thing, I'm sure you can understand. But anyway, the main thing is we're out today and we're in a cracking location. If you haven't seen my last video previous to that, go check it out. I'll leave a link at the end. It's good to be back, man. It is good to be back. The weather's not great, but we don't care. Max, come here. Max, here. Come here. Here he is, the star of the show. He's out. He's missed it, haven't you? Right, guys. We're going to speed it up. We're going to get set up. We've got the tent and tarp today. So we'll go from there, really. Got some beer, obviously. Yeah, we've got some burgers and sausages for tea tonight. So yeah, let's get on with it, shall we? Come on, let's go. Hey guys, pretty much set up. Best bit to last. Just got to get this chair out, get the table set up, and give Max his breakfast, which he's waiting patiently for. He's a good boy, aren't you, son? Oh, it's good to be back out, guys. It's good to be back out. It's Halloween tomorrow. So, happy Halloween. If you celebrate it. If you don't, then happy end of October. Hope you put your clocks back. Get that extra hour in bed. Sometimes it's needed. Right, that's the chair. Oh! Put that down there because we don't need it, do we? Get Max's breakfast out. The breakfast time. Right. Just trying to measure this for 2 days. Tonight, tomorrow, morning, and now. Got him a treat for later anyway, some pig's ears. Loves them. I know it doesn't look like a lot, but this is it's all good stuff for him. It costs a fortune, doesn't it? Very healthy stuff. But you know he gets steak and stuff as well. Come on in. There you go. Right guys, I'm gonna finish off getting set up and I'll see you back shortly. I'm sure. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. freshly brewed urine straight from the sheep's piss pot. This is why I bring the Catadin B3 filter. Don't leave home without it. Not getting paid for saying that, by the way. Just thought I'd say it because I really like the filter. I see loads of people using different filters on their YouTube channels, but Catadin for me is the one. You get 1,000 litres per filter, but this is a 3 litre bag that you can buy, or you can buy the smaller 1 litre bottles, which you've seen on my previous channels, previous videos. But yeah, freshly brewed sheep's piss, can't beat it. This one also comes with the hose, and you let gravity do the rest. He says. I'll be back. Had a slight problem there with the pipe. Story of my life. It's working now, as you can see. So yeah, gravity does it. I mean, I'll filter it for Max, but he's not fussed. So there you go. It'll just run free until I use the stopcock. And that stops the water. Right, that's enough about water filters. Glad you loved that. Glad you enjoyed watching it. Back to the scenery. Look at this. I think the sun's going to come out today. It's a bit windy, but we're sheltered. Max is there, he's happy. Yeah, we're all set up, ready to go. And the time is 8:30. Watch out, move. Take your nose off. It's getting a tad windy. I'm having to make some stronger pegs. You can see. Testing out my... It's called the Adventurer, this knife. I've had it made for me. It's an Andrews flag. Love it. If you want a knife, get yourself on M&M Custom Knives Instagram. I'll put a link at the bottom again. Very reasonable price, and they're very sharp. Just a couple of strong pegs. Something that will go in the ground a bit further than them pathetic tent pegs you get. That'll do. Beautiful. Right, let's put the tarp back up. As you can see, it's kind of blown down for now. I hate wind. Brought these as backup. These are like a different sort of design and paracord with tension and thingamajig. So basically it pulls, so to speak, and you release it, pulls, and then that holds it. Yeah, it's pretty cool. So we'll have to try that because it snapped one of my guy lines, so we'll stop messing about and get on with that one. See, so what's happened is it snapped the guy line that was gone through there, but to be honest I think these are actually better. I might just replace them all, a lot tighter. Then what we do is we put the other end around a peg and pull it, and that should secure it. Right, so what I need to do is, if you can see me, there you go, another one of these DIY pegs, which are much better, solid. And what we'll do is, like I said, you pull this, and that should, in theory, tighten it. Let's tighten it. Actually, do you know what? I think I've got these the wrong way around. Stand by, people, stand by. That's better. Like I say, it's trial and error. Yeah, put that down where it gets. Now what you do, can you see? Can you see what I'm doing? I mean, you're probably not even interested, but I think they're pretty cool. And look at that, that ain't going anywhere. Yes. I'm going to replace all them old ones with this. And look, tarps are great, but they really let the side down with the actual paracord they use. It frays away after about 4 or 5 uses. Sorry to give them a bad review because they are brilliant tarps. Anyway, wind's picking up, guys. See you shortly. I wonder what he wants. Oh, what could this be? Sit. Can I have a paw? Can I have the paw? Other one. I think that's pretty good. Sit, 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 sit. Here's a paw. 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 Other one. Okay, I think you've earned it. Look at this. This is Max's favourite. Pig's ear. Go on then. Someone's happy. Guys, we've got the fire still to light tonight. I'm getting pretty drunk now. You can tell it's been a while since I've been out. So if I start talking, it doesn't matter. You're used to it anyway. For those of you that subscribe, you know what I'm like. Cheers. We've drunk the Guinness, we're now on the cider. So we'll get this lit. For those of you that have subscribed to me for some time now, you all know by my logo, I'm on Facebook, I'm on Instagram, I'm also on TikTok. So tonight I'll be going, it make no difference to you guys, by the time you see this it'll probably be a week later. But I do tend to go live on TikTok sometimes when I do some camps, especially with the campfires and stuff. Talking crap. Nothing changes there. But anyway, we're going to get this bad boy going shortly, and we've got some sausage and burgers for tea. I don't want to have them now. I'm going to do it later on. So Max is enjoying his pig's ear. I'm going to finish off some more beers, ciders, etc. Listen to some music and enjoy the rest of the evening. And what a beautiful evening it is. What have we got now? What are we on temperature wise? Let's have a look. I don't know if you can see that. We're about 6-7 degrees. It's pretty accurate, this. You know, I take it everywhere with us. Remember when we were in Scotland, it was round here somewhere. That's coming up again in January. So, yeah. Like I say, guys, apologies for not being out. It's been 6 weeks. I've just been so busy with work and selling my house. And you know how stressful that is if you've ever done it. So we're in the middle of, hopefully, we'll be moving into our new house January time. It's at the survey point at the minute and searches. So it's everything's going all right. So, but you never know. So yeah, we'll continue coming out, and let me turn you around where you can see us. Hello. We'll continue coming out, camping. Maybe it is 6 weeks, maybe it is 7 weeks. It's just I can't do it at the minute. I just can't do it every couple of weeks like I used to. So just bear with us and enjoy it when it does happen. Stick around if you don't want to. Off you jog in the nicest possible way. And if you have just joined the channel and you've come across this video and you're thinking, oh, interesting, stick around. Check out my older videos. They go back a good couple of years now. But yeah, it's not very often I do a plug. I might as well do one now. So yeah, give us a like. Give us a subscribe. You don't have to watch them. Just subscribe. It's cool. It's nice watching the figure going up and up and up. I think I'm at 1,160 subscribers at the minute. I've got about 200 watch hours to go, and then apparently YouTube monetized me. Be nice to earn 20-30 pence a month. Like I said, guys, before, I don't care about the money. I'm not bothered about it. I just do it for fun. And if it happens, so be it. Get me a Mars bar. Or a can of Thatcher's. Hey, you never know. We have fire. Right, guys, we're cooking on, I was going to say gas, but it's not, it's wood. YouTube, say hello to TikTok. TikTok, say hello to YouTube. Live on TikTok at the minute. Things I do to keep you lot entertained. This is why I'm wearing my glasses, because I can't read that bloody thing on my phone when it comes to TikTok. Anyway, food's on the go, guys. Max is sat there patiently waiting for a burger. He can dream on.